Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to display time on iPhone screen. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. If you want to display time on your iPhone home screen, or you want to display time on your iPhone lock screen, then you need to watch this video to the end. First, press and hold the iPhone home screen, then locate and click on Edit at the top left. Now go ahead and click on Add Widgets. Once you click on that, search for clock. Click on it. Now select the clock widget or the time widget you want to add to your iPhone home screen. Once you get it, go ahead and click on Add Widget. Then this is going to add the time widget to your iPhone home screen. Then click on Turn at top right. Again, if you want to add display time on iPhone lock screen, just swipe down from the top left, press and hold the screen, then click on Customize on your lock screen. Now, if time is missing here, what you need to do is just need to go ahead, click on Add Widget. Now, search through for clock, and then swipe through and select the clock you want to add to your lock screen. This. Then click outside. Then you can just drag this up, and then click on Turn at top right. Then you should see the time added to your iPhone lock screen just like this. So that is exactly how to add the lock screen time on your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.